Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the Microsoft Edge browser that had its update for the security fixes, and of course a new version at the same time. So if you go to the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots, you go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You will be sent to version 151.0.4129.59. So version 151 is here, matching the Google Chrome version also at the same time. Now, this mostly is, there's a few bug fixes and there's a few changes in the way that the Edge browser works, but not really much front-facing features. What is mostly important here is the more than 300 security flaws that were fixed. So this is a big update for at least the security flaws that need to be fixed in the Microsoft Edge browser. So that is to keep you safe, make sure that you're up to date. I say it often, even if you're not using Edge, if it's on your system, it's not a bad idea to go and check out if your Edge browser is up to date, because sometimes links in Windows or in certain apps that Microsoft pushes opens Edge rather than opening your favorite browser. So just in case, it's better to have it up to date. So I don't know if it's going to follow the same as Chrome, but in the next video, we'll be talking about a change that Google is making in the Chrome updates, which is pushing updates twice a week now for security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.